Hi everyone, and welcome to the Fall 21 semester of Geology 101. I just wanted to create a short welcome video to say hi and to introduce myself, since this is an online class and I'm probably not going to get to see many of you in person. But I'm really excited to teach you guys this semester. I taught 101 online for the first time last fall because of COVID, and it went well, so I'm actually really looking forward to doing it again. I'm going to explain, I hope, all of the things that maybe you have questions about tomorrow in class. So I can't wait to see you then. Please be sure to go and check out our Canvas page, navigate around that page. You'll find links to the Zoom lectures, to the syllabus, all sorts of information that again we'll be touching on in the morning. If you ever need to get in touch with me, the best way to reach me is through my email, which is simply my name, Robinson, that's an S, .cecil at csun.edu. I'm usually pretty easy to catch by email. I will have office hours set up every Tuesday afternoon by Zoom. Again, the Zoom link is posted on Canvas and in the syllabus. Thursdays 3 to 4 p.m. But if you ever want to reach out and set up an appointment with me at another time, I'm happy to do that. Anyway, nice to meet you guys. Can't wait to see some of your faces in the little Zoom boxes tomorrow morning. And if you have any questions about the course now or going forward, I encourage you to reach out, communicate with me, engage in the course materials. Don't be shy. You know, it's easy to become anonymous in these online formats, but I would really like to get to know you guys. And yeah, like I said, excited to meet you all tomorrow. Take care.